Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392 out here at Coffee and Cars this morning. June the 6th. I'm out here, guys. It just got here. It's been raining. You can see it's wet out here. There's still got a lot of people out here, even though it's been raining. It's still coming in. Give you guys a time check. It is 8 o'clock. A little bit after 8. Oh yeah, I'm in my element. Let me go over here and get this shaker. I like these shakers. Challenge the shaker. This your car?
Yes, sir.
I love your car. Can I buy it from you? No? I've always liked the shakers.
It's fun.
Oh yeah. What year is it?
2019.
It's nice. I'm on YouTube. I'm gonna put it on my channel, man. I love
Heck
these.
yeah.
I love these cars. Here's my card right here. Let me get my card.
Thank you. Check out the license plate.
In the back?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all don't have, in California, you gotta have them in the front and back. Y'all don't have them here in the front and back? Okay. I like it. Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. Can I see your engine?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Shaker. Is it fast?
Moderately.
Is it?
It's decent.
Sound good?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Is it loud?
Loud enough.
Can I hear it?
Yes, sir.
Here, let me get behind you. Get a cold start. There you go. I appreciate it, brother.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I have my video up around about 3 or 4 this evening.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. You see you're going to be on there. Oh, yeah. I've always been a Mopar. That's why I'm 392. I like Mopars, man.
I've seen your channel.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm on TikTok now, too. So this goes on TikTok and YouTube.
All righty.
Oh, yeah. You guys have a great day.
You too.
Thank you, sir. Rag top. I like it. I like the rag tops. I'm from Southern California, man. That's what we do with them rag tops. Let them down in the summer, man. Get that breeze, baby. Get that West Coast breeze coming out of Laguna. Laguna, Malibu, all down in that region. I like it. Make sure I get you guys on here. Whose is this? It's beautiful, man.
Appreciate it, brother.
Wow. What year is this?
19.
20, man. You guys watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Here you go. Here's my card. Check my card out. YouTube, brother. Go ahead. I appreciate you guys, man. Thank you. Oh, look at these lights back here, guys. Check that out. That's nice. And I'm on TikTok too. I have it on TikTok too.
Is it the same thing?
Yes, same. TikTok and YouTube. Yes, sir. Just all you gotta do is just scan it. Yeah, that's it. What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Whose is this? It's beautiful, man. I love these Mustangs, man. What year is this?
19.
19? Cool, man. How's she running?
Pretty good.
Running good?
Yeah.
Cool, man. GT.
What? V8? 5.7?
All right. Got a little lineup right here, y'all. Oh, I love the lineups. Look at this, Yanko. Ooh, look at that, Yanko. I like it. Content for my channel, I appreciate it, I love it. Look at this here, man. Check this out, 400 SS.
It's been a learning experience for sure, man. Because whenever I would pay for something and then people would be like, here you go, this is good enough for you. And then to find out, I'm like, if this is a matter of $500 for something that was this much better, like, really wish we went a different route.
Yeah. But that was one thing. And that was what's cool about Diego is he asked, where do you want to be at on the field? Where do you want to, and then so some
tell
guys
me
people
why.
recommend.
SS, baby. ZL1. There you go.
Hey, he has some rags in there.
Check this out, guys. Where you put your gas, right? That's nice. I like this. Royal Enfield. Check that out, guys.
What's going on?
What's going on, brother? How you doing?
Not too bad. About yourself?
All right, all right.
I didn't see you last month.
Huh?
I didn't see you last month.
I was here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't see you.
Yeah, you was busy. Yeah, sometime I come through here and you guys got customers, I guess, talking to them. Yeah. And I don't bother you because I know you know your business.
Ah, that's all good, man. I'm here to chat with everybody.
What's up, brother?
He's talking to you, Sean.
He did it. I seen his hand. Huh? Mic. That's a mic. They're picking up everything you see. It's a mic. Yeah, these mics and these GoPros suck, so I went and bought this one. Yeah, this costs $100. No, it's just a mic. That's all it is, just a mic. Here, you have the card. I'm giving you the card. This was the card. No. Yeah, they're tight. I got a bunch of them. All right, there you go, brother. All right, you take care, brother. Appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir. Take care, brother. Yes, sir. This is a Royal Enfield. All right, that's it. Let's keep going, shall we? Ooh, this is good. Look at this McLaren, man. Wow. What's up, bud? All right. It's a beautiful McLaren. Wow, that's nice. There's a Hellcat over here. All right, let's get these motorcycles, get out of this rain.
I'm getting on top of my car. Hell no. I'm getting on top of my car.
Just chill in the cars for a minute.
I'm dancing on top.
All right, guys, it got rain on. We got to come over here for shelter. Get out of that rain out there. All right, guys, I'll cut it back on once that rain stops. See you guys on the other side of the lake.